Did you know that something as simple as cleaning your tongue or taking a few extra minutes to care for your feet can transform your overall health? Today, we invite you on a journey to discover the power of basic hygiene habits that not only make you feel better, but can also help you live longer and enjoy greater daily comfort. In this video, we will share inspiring, real-life stories of people who embrace small changes to their hygiene routines and experience remarkable improvements in their health. From refreshing your breath to ensuring strong, healthy feet, from nurturing your skin to taking care of your nose and underarms, every step counts toward a better quality of life. Stay with us, and if you find our tips valuable, consider subscribing to our channel to join our community of health enthusiasts. Let's dive in and transform our daily habits for a brighter, healthier future. Our first habit focuses on a surprising yet often neglected area, the tongue. Many assume that brushing their teeth thoroughly is enough to keep bad breath at bay, but the truth is that the tongue can harbor a multitude of bacteria, food particles, and dead cells. These microscopic residues accumulate in the tiny crevices on the tongue's surface and are responsible for over half of the bacteria that cause persistent bad breath. For years, Martha, a lively 70-year-old who loves nothing more than enjoying her afternoon tea and engaging conversations with friends, struggled with chronic bad breath. Despite her diligent twice-daily brushing routine, the odor would return each day, leaving her feeling self-conscious and uneasy in social situations. Everything changed when Martha learned about the importance of cleaning her tongue. She began using a tongue scraper every morning before brushing her teeth. This simple addition to her routine not only refreshed her breath, but also left her mouth feeling remarkably clean and comfortable throughout the day. The science behind this is simple. The tongue is covered with tiny bumps known as papillae, which trap bacteria and other residues. By removing these particles with a dedicated tool or even gently brushing her tongue, Martha transformed her oral hygiene, resulting in fresher breath, improved digestion, and a bolstered immune system. Her newfound confidence was evident whenever she spoke, and her friends quickly noticed the difference. If you haven't tried cleaning your tongue yet, take a moment each morning to incorporate this effortless yet impactful habit into your routine. Now, let us shift our focus to another vital area, your feet. Imagine the incredible importance of strong, healthy feet in supporting your entire body. Meet John, a retired teacher in his 75s, who has always found joy and solace in his daily walks. However, over the years, he noticed increasing discomfort in his feet. Soreness and occasional swelling would compromise his walking pleasure and limit his activities. Determined not to let foot pain curtail his active lifestyle, John began dedicating a few minutes each day to proper foot care. He started by thoroughly washing his feet, ensuring that every nook and cranny was cleaned. After drying his feet meticulously, he applied a rich moisturizer to prevent dryness and cracking, a common issue as we age. To his delight, John soon experienced a significant reduction in both soreness and swelling. But the benefits of regular foot care extend far beyond comfort. Healthy feet form the foundation of overall body health. Neglecting foot hygiene can lead to issues like cracked skin or fungal infections. For individuals with diabetes, even a minor injury on the foot can spiral into severe complications such as ulcers. John wisely adopted a habit of daily foot inspections, carefully checking for cuts, blisters, or unusual signs, which allowed him to address minor problems before they escalated into bigger issues. By nurturing his feet, John not only maintained his mobility, but also secured the foundation of his body's health, ensuring he could continue his walks without the burden of pain. This small commitment, just a few minutes of daily attention, has a lasting impact on overall well-being. Remember, healthy feet enable you to enjoy life's adventures with confidence and stability. Next, we turn our attention to the power of nurturing your skin. As the largest organ of the body, your skin serves as a critical barrier against harmful bacteria, viruses, and environmental stressors. However, over time, neglecting your skin can lead to dryness, irritation, and even cracking. Sarah, a vibrant 68-year-old whose energy and enthusiasm for life remained undiminished, began experiencing discomfort when her skin started to feel excessively dry and itchy, especially during the colder months. She noticed that her skin would crack and become irritated, negatively affecting not only how she looked, but also how she felt. Realizing that a change was necessary, Sarah reevaluated her skincare routine. She replaced her regular soap with a gentle, fragrance-free alternative that would not strip her skin of its natural moisture. Furthermore, after every shower, she made it a point to apply a nourishing, hydrating lotion to lock in moisture. The results were transformative. Her skin quickly became softer, the persistent irritation eased, and the dryness that once plagued her vanished. Sarah's experience underscores the importance of maintaining a regular skincare routine, particularly as we age. Proper skin hygiene does more than enhance appearance. It supports the skin's vital function as a protective shield. Harsh chemicals and fragrances in many commercial products can interfere with the skin's natural processes, making it less effective at warding off infections and environmental damage. By choosing gentle cleansers and consistently moisturizing, you empower your skin to perform at its best, keeping you comfortable, confident, and healthy. Whether it's selecting a mild soap or incorporating a daily moisturizer, your skin deserves attentive care. Now, let us explore an area that many tend to overlook: your nose. Although it may seem unusual to focus on nasal care, this small yet crucial part of your body plays a significant role in your overall well-being. Thomas, a 72-year-old nature enthusiast who relishes his hiking adventures, often found himself plagued by chronic nasal congestion, particularly during the colder months or allergy season. The persistent blockage made it increasingly difficult for him to breathe freely, marring his outdoor experiences. After a period of frustration, Thomas discovered the simple remedy of daily nasal irrigation. Using a saline nasal spray each morning, he was able to gently flush out dust, pollen, and bacteria that had accumulated in his nasal passages. The routine proved to be a revelation. His nasal congestion cleared up, his breathing became more comfortable, and he was able to fully enjoy his hikes once more. The interior of the nose is lined with fine hairs and a layer of mucus that naturally trap airborne particles. While this mechanism is designed to protect you, it can become a double-edged sword if the trapped particles accumulate, leading to infections or allergic reactions. By incorporating nasal care into his daily routine, Thomas not only reduced inflammation and congestion, but also lowered his risk of developing sinus infections. Whether using a saline spray or a neti pot, this simple practice can greatly enhance your respiratory health and overall quality of life. For anyone dealing with nasal congestion or allergies, or simply wishing to maintain clear airways, adopting a routine that includes nasal irrigation is a straightforward yet profoundly effective strategy. Finally, we come to a part of your body that, while often taken for granted, has a remarkable impact on your health: your armpits. Consider Eleanor, a spirited 69-year-old grandmother who had grown accustomed to applying deodorant without much thought. Over time, however, she began to experience irritation and recurrent ingrown hairs in her underarm area, leaving her feeling uncomfortable and self-conscious. Determined to improve her condition, Eleanor reevaluated her hygiene habits. She introduced a gentle scrub into her routine and switched to a natural deodorant, one that eschewed harsh chemicals in favor of ingredients that nurtured her skin. The change was profound. Eleanor's underarm skin became noticeably smoother and more comfortable, and the frequent irritations subsided. But there is more to caring for your armpits than mere comfort. Your armpits house numerous lymph nodes, which play an essential role in filtering bacteria and toxins, bolstering your immune system's ability to keep you healthy. Neglecting this area can lead to bacterial buildup, which may result in infections or even compromise overall health. Regular cleaning of your armpits not only prevents irritation and ingrown hairs, but also supports the immune system by maintaining a clean, balanced environment on the skin. Choosing natural deodorants further protects the delicate skin in your underarm region. Many commercial products contain chemicals that can clog sweat glands and exacerbate skin irritation. Natural alternatives, on the other hand, allow the skin to breathe and work more efficiently in expelling toxins. Through her newfound routine, Eleanor experienced renewed freshness and a comfort that lasted throughout the day, reinforcing the idea that even the simplest changes in our hygiene practices can yield significant health benefits. As we near the end of our journey through these transformative habits, remember that each of these small steps, from cleaning your tongue to nurturing your skin, caring for your feet, tending to your nasal passages, and properly cleaning your armpits, is a powerful tool that contributes to a healthier and more comfortable life. Every single habit we discuss today plays a role in enhancing your overall well-being, supporting critical bodily functions, and most importantly, boosting your confidence and quality of life. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of simple, life-changing hygiene habits. We sincerely hope that Martha's experience with tongue cleaning, John's dedication to foot care, Sarah's commitment to nurturing her skin, Thomas's relief through nasal care, and Eleanor's transformation through proper underarm hygiene have inspired you to reassess your own routine and consider making these small yet impactful changes. Your health is a journey, and every little improvement contributes to a brighter, healthier future. Embracing these habits means taking charge of your well-being, ensuring that you not only feel better today, but also set the foundation for a long, active, and fulfilling life ahead. If you found this video insightful and wish to continue receiving practical advice and inspiring stories that empower you to live your best life, please subscribe to our channel now. Your support motivates us to bring you more content that makes a real difference. In closing, remember that even the smallest change, a minute spent on cleaning your tongue, or a few extra moments devoted to skincare, can lead to great improvements over time. We appreciate your time, trust, and willingness to explore new ways to enhance your health with us. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep striving for a better you. Until next time, take care and continue moving forward with confidence. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on more essential tips and inspiring health stories.